Australia once declared war on birds. In 1932, during the Great Depression, desperate farmers in Western Australia were being overrun by 20,000 emus. These birds were tearing through their wheat fields. Crops were collapsing. Livelihoods were vanishing. So the government sent soldiers, armed with machine guns. Under orders from Defense Minister George Pearce, troops set up in the outback, ready to wipe out the invasion. But the emus didn't charge. They scattered, split into groups, ran at 50 kilometers per hour, vanished into the bush. Machine guns jammed. Bullets were wasted. The birds adapted. Stay with this, because this gets even more unbelievable. After thousands of rounds fired, the emus were still standing. The military withdrew. The operation was quietly abandoned. Australia had effectively lost a war. To emus, no peace treaty, no surrender, just feathers in the wind. Follow Time Trails Australia for more unbelievable history. And comment below, was this the strangest war ever fought?